And isa to sa mga magiging magandang investment kung sakasakaling nandito ka sa Canada. So this house is for sale. So far, yun na lang. So, halong kaba, halong excitement kung ano yung ibibigay sa amin dito. So, nakaplat na lahat ng kanyang trainings, lahat ng orientation. Welcome back po dito sa Buhay Canada. I'll just talk to them, okay?
Can you turn that on?
Buhay natin sa Winnipeg, Manitoba. So, makitrip, at makitravel dito sa amin sa Buhay Canada. So, right here, Norwich Mountain. Pinalik ng turning over. Okay, so it's around 11 in the evening. Update ko lang kayo kung ano na yung status ng application ni Aisha dito sa Manitoba. So as of now, nakumpleto niya na yung requirements sa Manitoba. It's about decision making na lang yung inaantay namin. And ngayon, nire-review na on process na yung review dito sa Manitoba. So yan, didepende na lang yan sa decision talaga. So far, yun na lang. So halong kaba, halong excitement kung ano yung ibibigay sa amin dito. Saka sakali na syempre may option A, may option B. So ngayon guys, nakapag-resign na rin siya sa trabaho. It's the deciding factor na lang talaga si Manitoba. So mag-i-start na rin siya sa work niya sa Ontario, sa may Hamilton. Ayan. Nabigyan na siya ng job offer, binigyan na rin sa kanya yung lahat ng schedule niya starting October. So nakaplat na lahat ng kanyang trainings, lahat ng orientation. Pupunta siya sa surgical unit. So ayan, bagong experience. Ano to? Exciting part na nakakakaba. So isa rin din, ang isi-shoutout ko na lang din yung mga nag-comment dun sa previous video. Shoutout to Erickson Wason. Sabi niya, stay na lang daw dito. And then sila Dudes and Lovely na nasa Toronto. Brandon Boy PH, sabi niya, lipat na kayo sa Calgary. Then, kay Aris Tom, exciting yan sir. Good luck, sana makuha niyo opportunity. Kay Daniel Nerik, we're praying for your family. If ano ang will ni Lord sa next plan nyo, God bless. Tatanong din kung nasa na raw si Pinoy. Nasa Pilipinas na si Pinoy. Nandoon na siya ngayon. So ayan, yan lang yung update. So balitaan ko kayo sa mga susunod na mga araw, sa mga susunod na update ng Manitoba. Kasi regardless kung ano yung mangyari, lahat ng decision namin ay dumidepende dito sa Manitoba's decision. Then, okay, so this house is for sale. So yan, nakita namin yung improvement dito yung sa kapitbahay namin, naging malinis na siya. And right now, it's going to be on sale for the next few weeks. Ano to almost brand new kasi binago talaga nila yung loob niyan. Yun nga lang, ito yung wala lang siyang garahe. Pero napaganda nila yung loob nito, pati yung labas. So, given a chance, pinapasok kami dito nung ni Darcy, siya yung nag-renovate ng bahay na to. At sobrang ganda. Para siyang maliit na condo unit. Is it before this is a room or the washroom?
No, that was always a washroom.
Okay.
We didn't change the layout too much.
Yeah, there's one of those over there.
Nice. This is the main, right? This is the master one?
No, I think this is the master's bed.
No,
This is the master one.
Yeah, the master.
This is the bigger one. This is the bigger.
Whoa! What's this? Wow!
One.
Downstairs is still under construction. You can go take a look downstairs.
Go, Maria.
Where is it?
Steps.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, that's right.
So nice.
All vinyl floor. It's all. You can't scratch it. You can't ding it.
It's all for yeah.
It's so nice.
It's just like
I can't imagine the house would be like.
it's just like condo now.
I know it's like a home.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like
Are you gonna sleep here?
no, I'm not gonna sleep here. Tonight. Somewhere else to sleep.
Oh look at the basement. Go check. Oh, this is nice.
Wow.
It's still a big project.
It's a big project, but it's feasible. Oh, that's the room,
Yeah, that's gonna be the bedroom.
and then a functional washroom.
Yeah. but just a toilet and a sink. No shower.
No shower, but toilet is fine, right?
So the toilet, sink, and laundry's over there.
Laundry's right here, and then this is a big space for an entertainment one.
Yeah, and entertainment. It's a big bedroom with a window.
Is this cotton candy?
Oh,
No,
and
don't
then
need that, don't need that.
and then this one will be the
Yeah, it'll be. We're building a wall here. There's going to be a wall here, and the laundry room right there.
and then this is a good space
Yeah,
again.
good space here, good space there, couch and TV, and
Yeah, nice.
yeah. If you want to take a look, there's more here. Big
What's
bedroom.
even down?
That's a new furnace.
Yeah, it's about 4 years old, I think.
4 years old.
Yeah, hot water tank.
Nice. Come on, let's go, girls.
So,
You're going to put floors as well?
yeah. There'll be carpet going in there.
Oh, carpet.
Yeah. The wiring's new, the plumbing's new.
Yeah.
If someone wants to put a ceiling, they
Yeah.
can, but if someone wants to build another bedroom, they can. We put an air conditioner on.
Oh, you did put the air
Yeah,
conditioning.
Yeah, the furnace is 4 years old, the hot water tank's 4 years old, the air conditioner is 2 months old.
Oh, okay.
Appliances are brand new.
They have lots of storage in the washroom.
Yeah, there's storage there, there's a closet here,
And you have
A good starter home, Darcy.
I know it's a good. If this one existed before our house, I'm going to
Well, it's a little
buy
bit smaller than yours, but
Yeah. Yung loob niya, dalawang room sa taas, tapos ginagawa niya yung isang basement room, tapos ika-carpet niya yung hindi pa gawa yung basement nito pero ika-carpet niya. And isa to sa mga magiging magandang investment kung sakasakaling nandito ka sa Canada at gusto mo maghanap ng bahay. So privately, sinabi niya sa amin, if ever meron kayong makakita or meron kayong kakilala na gustong bumili ng bahay, kung hindi siya dadaan ng agent, kung hindi na siya dadaan ng middleman, ang budget nitong bahay na to is nasa 185,000. So hindi na masama yun sa price ng bahay na to kasi totally bago yung electric wiring, bago yung panel, bago yung plumbing, bago yung windows. Ayan, yung mga windows na yan, pinalitan. Bago yung windows niyan. Tapos, tinutulungan ko lang din. Lahat ng nandito sa Winnipeg, baka siguro may kakilala kayo. Or, meron kayo nagkakilala na nag-apartment, naghahanap ng bahay. Ito, pwede na tong maging starter home. Especially kung nag-uumpisa pa lang yung family ninyo, may isang anak. Ang maganda pa kasi dyan is, malapit lang siya dito sa school. Ito, school na yung kulay brown na yan, school na yan, and sa mga grade 9 yan, so mga grade 8, grade 9, so yan, magandang investment to. Tapos ayun nilagyan niya pa ng deck, dati walang ganyan yan, so masarap nang tumambay dito, lalong lalo na yung view ganito, di ba? So isa sa mga sinire-recommend ko na investment din ang pagkuha ng bahay. Syempre live within your means, mag-invest ka lang dun sa mga bagay na kaya lang ng budget. Pero kung ikaw ay nag-apartment at yung apartment mo is nagbibigay kayo ng mga siguro 1,500, so ito, kung sakasakaling ma-pre-approve kayo ng bahay sa 185,000, most likely ang magiging bi-weekly mo dyan is 500, mga siguro 500 bi-weekly. So at least may sarili ka ng space, at least may sarili ka ng garahe, may sarili kang garahe dyan, tapos may sarili kang space dito. Napakaganda ng loob nito, pati yung appliances, brand new yung appliances na nilagay nila, yung ref, at saka yung stove, tapos yung washer and dryer, lalagyan din nila. So if ever meron kayong makakilala, mga kaibigan, or nandito sa Winnipeg na naghahanap ng starter home, ito maganda to, good steal na yan if you're going to do it privately. Pero kapag dinaan niya na or kapag dumaan na yan sa mga ahente, syempre hindi na yan yung presyo ng hinihingi niya. So baka tumaas yan, baka umabot pa ng 190, 195 or nasa 200. So yan, sense sa magandang investment na pwede mong umpisahan kung nandito ka sa Canada or mag-uumpisa ka pa lang. Kung may pera lang talaga kami, pwede kong kung pwede nga lang din bilhin yan para as a property investment. Pinagsisihan din namin is yung nag-apartment kami ng sobrang tagal. Kasi nasayang yung bayad dun sa apartment na imbes na sana binabayad na namin dito sa mga investment na katulad ng mga ganito na yung equity ng bahay is lumalaki. Pero again, kanya-kanyang diskarte yan, kanya-kanyang means, or kanya-kanya naman sa sahod yan, or depende sa ano ng family, depende sa family income. So yan, isa rin yan sa mga tip na sinabi ko kay Edison. So shoutout kay Edison na ngayon is may sarili ng bahay din, nakagkaroon sila ng space. So it's very challenging dun sa mga mag-uumpisa. Pero ayan, umpisa lang umulan dahil papasok na yata tayo. So ayan, pasok muna ako. Nag-umpisa lang umulan. Sayang. Tapos, yan, nilalagay niya rin ng mga ganyan, no? Kasi ito gagawin niyang bato yan para at least daanan. Thank you.
Oh, I'm not gonna live here.
That's nice. Thank you.